garden friends. We are in the Oregon wine country again. This is phase 3 of our plant installation. Isn't this beautiful, Verbena? Come this way, I'll show you. So we've installed, 1 year ago today we did the main plant installation, and then in May of this year we did phase 2, and now we're on phase 3, just adding more plants and yeah, fine tuning I call it. That's a meadow grass over there. Look at the olives. Aren't they gorgeous? Yeah, so you can grow olives in the Northwest, olive trees, Arbequina. They're the hardiest for here. Woo! Beautiful with the Mexican feathergrass and the olives. Aren't they beautiful when they blow in the wind? And I just love them. Woo! So beautiful. Okay, we'll go this way. Oh. Come visit us at thewhitepear.com.